Welcome everybody, we're here to learn about science. This is Linda Wade, Mrs. Wade from 3rd grade, Brook Glen Elementary School, and I'm here today with a few of my friends.
Mr. Esposito, 6th grade science, Ralph Chandler Middle School, and
I'm Mr. Goff. I teach 6th grade math at Ralph Chandler
Middle School.
These are some of my friends, and they're here with me today to introduce what we're going to be learning about science in the first 9 weeks or so of school. And I'm really excited about science. I love science. We're going to first start off with how do plants grow? We're going to learn about the roots, the stems, leaves, flowers, and seeds, and how do those seeds spread? Well, I know that you're going to love learning about animals, wind, and water, and to see how these seeds spread with those three things. And then we're going to move on to animal and plant life cycles, and what is a food chain? We have the sun, which is the main source of energy, and the flow goes to plants. Plants are producers. Animals are consumers. For example, my little snail here, he comes along and eats a plant. Well, this handy-dandy snake, he comes along and eats the snail and takes the energy from the things in front of him in the food chain. And then comes an owl at night and swipes up that snake and eats him, and the owl eventually dies. And when he dies, he decomposes. You see my little mushroom? He becomes part of the soil, and we start a food chain all over again because the soil will receive nutrients from the decomposing owl, and then plants will come and get those nutrients. And then we are going to move on to the 5 habitats: life in the desert, grassland, forest, Arctic tundra, and ocean. We will be learning about the animals, their surroundings, their environment, how they survive, their adaptations, and what they need to live in each of those 5 areas. And hopefully we will get to dissect an owl pellet where we pull it apart and get to see what the owl has ingested or digested, and then they spit up the bones. So we'll pull those bits of fur and bones apart and see what the owl had for dinner. I love science, and I know you're going to love science too. 3rd grade rocks!
Excellent.
Yeah.
2 thumbs up here.